Hi dear students and my well-wishers and friends. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel Maths with Panindra. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. And those who are watching first time about my channel, first go to the playlist and the respective videos related to the intermediate and MSET, JEE Mains and all. If you really like these videos, please share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, MSET 2021 TS Conicsections parabola, ellipse, hyperbola questions I am going to discuss in this session. Let us have a discussion the question here. The equation of common tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and to the ellipse 2x square plus 25y square equal to 50 is, options are like this. So which option is the right option? So first what I am doing is, for this circle, for this ellipse, common tangent I am taking. Let us consider y is equal to mx plus c. One more important thing, some students are asking, sir, for one question you are taking 4 to 5 minutes for explanation. In exam, we have 80 questions. 80 into 40 or 5, if you take that this much time it is taking, it is not possible in the exam. For your only understanding purpose, I am taking much time. Otherwise, if I explain on fastly, it will be within 1.5 minute, it will complete. Dear students, you understand that most of the students they wrote their opinion, their comment in the comment section. So that is the reason I am reminding you. So y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent for both the circles. So circle equation x square plus y square is equal to 4. 4 means we can write it as 2 square. And ellipse 2x square, it is not in the standard form. 2x square plus 25y square is equal to 50. So dividing by 50, directly I am writing x square by 50 by 2. So 25 plus y square by 2. 25 1 are 25 2s are. Y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. The tangent equation is y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root over 1 plus x square. I hope you understand. R value is what compared with x square plus y square equal to 2 square, means r is equal to 2 only. So y is equal to mx plus or minus 2 into root of 1 plus n square. If we come to this line is to be tangent to this, y is equal to mx plus c. What is the condition for the tangent here? Equation for the tangent, even condition for the tangent also required. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. So first m is equal to 2 substituted here. Next comparing here, y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square value 25, m square plus b square is 2. So both are tangent equations only. In both equations, we are equating y equal, mx also equal. So we are going to equate the constant terms. These two will be equal. Why? Because they are tangents. So by equating these two, what will come here? 2 root over 1 plus m square is equal to root over 25 m square plus 2. Squaring on both sides. So you will get 4 plus 4m square is equal to 25m square plus 2. So 4m square I am taking here, 2 you can take here. 2 is equal to 21m square. So that implies m square is equal to 2 by root 21. Yeah, I got some call. M value is plus or minus root 21 by, root 2 by root 21. Even here also I wrote on yesterday. Yes. M value we got it, but C value we got it. No, we have to get it. C value. So for that what I am doing is to get the c value, the line y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent for the ellipse. We have the condition c square equal to a square m square plus b square. So c is equal to root over a square value is what? 25. M square value we have here 2 by 21 plus b square value is 2. So root over 21, this is 50 plus 42. So which is equal to root 92 by 21. This is about c value 92. Is there any possibility to divide with 4? Yes, possibility is there. 4 into 23 times 4 we can take outside, 2 root 23 divided by root 21. So this is about the c value, dear students. C value, m value is there. Substitute in this equation. Y is equal to m value plus or minus root 2 by root 21. X c value is also 2 root 21 divided by, root 23 it is, by root 21. But answer in terms of root 21 is given, no? So, what I am doing is, these values I am taking this side. With root 21 taking LCM, plus or minus root 2x minus root 21y plus 2 root 23 is equal to 0. So at least you consider when you plus root 2x minus root 2y plus 2 root 23. We have only 2 root 23 in this only. So absolutely the answer is second option, dear students. 2 root 2x minus root 21y plus 2 root 23. So you need to remember this condition for the tangent to the ellipse. The line y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of tangent with the circle. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root over 1 plus n square. This is tangent for the ellipse and line. Y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent with the ellipse. So the answer is second option. We'll move on to the another question. The next question. If S of A comma B is a fixed point and P of alpha comma B is such a variable point that 4 into x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to alpha x plus beta y plus 7 whole square represents a parabola, then the locus of P of alpha beta is the question. So parabola means is a fixed point, means is the focus. So the rough figure here, yes, AB, variable point P of alpha comma beta. So this is the directrix, L is equal to 0. Just I am writing. So whenever it represents a parabola, SP is equal to PM only, no? SP is equal to PM. What is SP? Distance between these two. Square root of SP means alpha minus a whole square root over alpha minus a whole square plus beta minus b whole square is equal to PM, perpendicular distance from alpha comma beta to this line. This line we are taking generally, what we will take it generally, ax plus by. No? So alpha x plus beta y like this. So alpha x plus beta y plus according to the question 7 only I am taking. So this is the line by root over alpha square plus beta square. Squaring on both sides you do, dear students. Here root is going to eliminate. First cross multiply root of alpha square plus beta square into root of alpha minus a whole square plus beta minus b whole square is equal to alpha x plus beta y plus 7 whole square. Squaring on both sides, root and square is going to eliminate now. Alpha square plus beta square. Here, alpha minus a whole square plus beta minus b whole square is equal to alpha x plus beta y by plus 7 whole square. So now this you have to compare with this value. So 4 is equal to locus, whenever they mention locus of alpha beta, in place of alpha beta x comma y, x minus a whole square. Next, y minus b whole square, here already I kept as x. So alpha x plus by plus 7 whole square. So these two you have to compare, both are same now here. So compare these two. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 4. So whenever this condition happens, it will become a parabola, represents a parabola. So answer is alpha square plus beta square is equal to 4. We got it now. Now come to another question. P of minus 3 comma 2 is an end point of the focal chord PQ of the parabola y square plus 4x plus 4y equal to 0. Then the slope of the normal drawn at Q. So parabola we are drawing first. First parabola y square plus 4x plus 4y equal to 0. So y square plus 4y is equal to minus 4x. Both sides if you add 4, it will become a perfect square. So it is the y plus 2 whole square expansion, dear students. Minus 4 if you take out common, x minus 1 will come. Compare with y minus k whole square, h comma k vertex. It will becomes 1 comma minus 2. And focus s of h minus a comma k will come. H minus a means 4a, minus 4a is equal to 4, a is equal to 1. So focus will becomes, focus coordinates s of h minus 1 minus 1, 0, k value minus 2. So focus we got it. So this parabola is minus is there, no? So the parabola will become, this is the parabola. This is yes, 0 comma minus 2. Vertex is there here. 1 comma, this is a, 1 comma minus 2. So one focal chord end is given, minus 3 comma 2, P. This P value is given. They are asking to find here Q. And if this normal, this is the tangent, this is the normal. Not focal chord, normal they are asking. So first minus 3 comma 2. Q of 3 comma 2. So how to get it? This is the equation of line passing to these 2 points. Equation of focal chord. Equation of focal chord. SP. So 2 points are there. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. This is X2, Y2. Passing to the focus. So this is only X1, Y1. You can assume yes, students. Why? Because passing through. Y minus Y1. Slope how to calculate? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. This is X2 Y2. 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 by minus 3 minus 0 into X minus X1. So Y minus Y1 value minus 2. 4 by minus 3 into X minus X1 value is 0. So Y plus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 4x. Keep it like this, dear students. I want another point Q, no? How to get it is the point is, in this curve, wherever 4x is there, you replace with that. So y square, in place of 4x is there, now here minus 4x is there. So 4x is equal to minus 3 into y plus 2. Okay. So in place of 4x, replace with minus 3y minus 6 plus 4y is equal to 0. Y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Factorization. Y squared plus 5y. Sorry. Minus 6 I want to get now. 3y minus 2y minus 6. So y into y plus 3 minus 2 into y plus 3. So y is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. So I want the value of x also now. So 4x is equal to minus 3 into, first 2 I am taking, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 3 minus 12. So x is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 comma 2 is already point here. So we cannot consider this. So 4x is equal to minus 3. Y value minus 3 plus 2. So minus 1. So 4x is equal to 4. X is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 3. So this is 1 minus 3, dear students. At this point, normal equation. First, for the given curve, y square, it is there now. So for this slope I am calculating. For this, differentiate with respect to x. 2 into y plus 2 into dy by dx is equal to minus 4. 2 ones to 2's. dy by dx is equal to minus 2y y plus 2. So dy by dx at what point? Q point. Q is 1 comma minus 3. So dy by dx at 1 comma minus 3. So minus 2 divided by y value is, this is x, this is y. Minus 3 plus 2, dear students. So minus 2 by minus 1. So 2. But they are asking here slope of normal, no? It is a tangent one. Slope of normal. Slope of normal. M is equal to. So dy by dx, here minus 4 is there, 2 2's are. Yes. Minus 3 into y value is x is equal to 2, substitute 2 2 4, 4 into minus 3 2. Yeah, this is over. Here it is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 4. Okay. Sorry dear students, here only I forgot. Plus 3 it is 3 by 4. Sorry. So x is equal to 3 by 4. At this point 3 by 4 comma minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3, substitute here. Minus 2, minus 3 plus 2. So minus 2 by minus 1, which is equal to plus 2. Slope of the normal, minus 1 by dy by dx. So minus 1 by 2. So the answer is minus 1 by 2. Okay, I hope you understand. We'll move on to the another question. Next question. If theta is the angle made by the common tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16 and the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. In the first question I think I explained about the common tangent. Any line y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent for the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 square here. So the tangent equation y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root over 1 plus n square only, no. What is equal to r here? R is equal to 4. Y is equal to mx plus or minus r value 4 into root 1 plus n square. Equation number 1 you keep in mind. Same thing, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. For that also y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent. What is the condition? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. Okay. So y is equal to mx plus or minus root over a square 25 m square plus b square is 9. Equation number 2. From these two equations, these two are equal means obviously these two also equal. From 1 and 2, 4 root 1 plus m square is equal to root 25 m square plus 9. Squaring on both sides. So 16 plus 16 m square is equal to 25 m square in plus 9. So 16 m square can take, so 9 you can take this side. 16 minus 9 is 7 is equal to 25 minus 16 is 9 m square. Okay. So m square is equal to 7 by 9. That implies m is equal to root 7 by root 9. So 3 it is. Okay. This is m value. M means what? Tan theta only, no? But cos 2 theta I want. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of tan. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus m square only, no? M is equal to tan theta means 1 plus m square. So 1 minus 7 by 9 by 1 plus 7 by 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 by 9 by 9 plus 7, 16 by 9. So 2 by 16. So that is equal to 1 by 8. So therefore cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 8, dear students. I hope you understand. So m square means what? M is equal to tan theta. So it will be tan square theta equal to 7 by 9 indirectly. So we got it as cos 2 theta value 1 by 8. Now we will come to here. For the hyperbola x square minus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus c equal to 0. If the focus is this, I am going to convert into the x square minus 4x, one term. Next minus take common, y square minus 2y is equal to minus c. So to make the perfect square, x square minus 4x plus 4 we are adding here. Minus here also y square minus 2y plus 1 we are adding. So indirectly plus 4 we are adding here and minus 1 we are adding here. So this is the expansion of x minus 2 whole square minus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 minus c. So dividing by 3 minus c. X minus 2 whole square by 3 minus c minus y minus 1 whole square by 3 minus c is equal to 1. It is the rectangular hyperbola A is equal to B. Okay. So for that eccentricity E is equal to. So rectangular hyperbola means E is equal to 1 means what will come here? Is equal to root 2 only. E is equal to root 2 means A is equal to root 3 minus C. But x value is given unnecessarily. Here it is easy to find out this is a rectangular hyperbola. Why? Because A is equal to B, we are getting root A is equal to root B. So A is equal to B. A value we got it. E value also we got it. Here focus value is given. Focus for this is what? S is equal to H plus or minus AE comma K. So that is equal to H value 2 plus AE. A value root 3 minus C. E value root 2. Comma K value 1. But I required only x value is given. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 2 into root 3 minus c. So x value is given as what? 2 plus root 2 is equal to 2 plus root 2 into root 3 minus c. So squaring on both sides, 2 equal to 2 into 3 minus c. So 1 is equal to 3 minus c. C is equal to so here also I want to x is equal to 2 plus root 2 is given. But foci is what? H plus or minus a. 2 plus 2 root 2 we can equate. This one dear students. 2 plus root 2. 2 root 2. Minus you can because 3 minus 1 will come. C is equal to 2. C is equal to 2 is there. Yeah, dear students. Here previously I wrote 2 plus root 2, but 2 plus 2 root 2 is there x value. It will be changed to, so the based on that, if you take x value is 2 plus 2 root 2, here it will change. So what value it will change? 2 plus 2 root 2 is equal to 2 plus root 2 into root 3 minus c, dear students. So anyway 2 get cancelled. Even root 2 also get cancelled. Squaring on both sides you will get it. 2 square is 4. 3 minus c. Minus c we can take this side. 3 minus 4. c is equal to minus 1. This is the right answer actually. If x is equal to 2 plus root 2, this answer will come. X is equal to 2 plus root 2. This answer will come x is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2. So according to the question, x is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2, the answer is minus 1. Okay, dear students, we will move to the another set of questions. The next question. If PQ is a focal chord of the parabola y square equal to 4x with focus S and P equal to 4, 4, then SQ equal to. Focal chord related formula is there, dear students. You have to remember. So I will draw the figure according to the parabola. Y square is equal to 4x parabola, this one. So the given equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4x. Compare with y square equal to 4x. So a is equal to 1 will come. 4a is equal to 4. That implies a is equal to 1. Okay. So this is the focus. This is the vertex. So this is called focal chord. The chord passing through the focus is called focal chord. Suppose this is point P. This is point Q. This is the focus. This is point P of 4, 4. Focus is a, 0, a value 1, 0. Focus formula S of a, 0. So that is S of 1, 0. Distance between S and P. SPQ is a focal chord. SPQ is a focal chord. Focal chord of the parabola. Then we have, this is a very important result, 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is equal to 1 by A. SP value, distance between these two we can calculate now. SP is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 whole square, 3 square, 4 minus 0 whole square, 16, root 25 means 5. They are asking to find SQ, this value. A value we got it here, A value 1, substitute in this. 1 by 5 plus 1 by SQ is equal to 1 by 1. So 1 by 5 I am taking here. 1 by SQ is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5. 1 by SQ equal to 4 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5. 5 1 to 1, 5 minus 1 by 5. So 4 by 5. But SQ equal to reciprocal of this one only, no? 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is the required answer. Are you able to see, dear students? Once. Yeah. Second option is the right option. Yeah. Come to the next question. If the parabola x square equal to 4ay makes an intercept of length root 40 on the line y equal to 1 plus 2x, then 4a equal to. So this is the parabola x square equal to 4ay means the parabola equation is like this now. Y is equal to mx plus c, that line. So that line is, this is y is equal to mx plus c line. So 1 plus 2x. So where it is intersecting at this point and this point. This is A, this is B, suppose. This AB length we want. So in AB length means we have standard formula. The line y is equal to mx plus c cuts the parabola in A and B. Then length of AB equal to parabola x square is equal to 4ay. Particularly, dear students, you remember AB. Then AB is equal to 4 times of root of A into 1 plus m square plus a plus cm square. Sorry, c plus am square. Dear students, this is the shortcut formula. If possible, general method also I will explain. Okay. AB length is given, no? Root 40 makes an intercept length root 40. So root 40 is equal to 4 into root of a value. A is a only 1 plus m square. This equation compared with y is equal to mx plus c. This is mx, this is c. So c value 1, m value 2. So substitute in this. M value 2, 2 square means 4. C value 1 plus a value a only. M square, 2 square means 4. Both sides, squaring on both sides. So 40 is equal to 16. A into 1 plus 4 is 5. 4a plus 1. So 16 5s are 80, no? Otherwise 5 1s, 5 8s, 8 1s, 8 2s. So here 1 by 2 is equal to a into 4a plus 1. So even 2 also we can take this side. 4a square plus a. So 2 times of 4. So 8a square plus 2a minus 1 equal to 0. If you do the factorization, 8 into minus 1, 4 2s are 8. So 8a square plus 4a minus 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So 4a if you take out common, 2a plus 1 minus 2a plus 1. So 2a equal to minus 1, 4a minus 1 equal to 0 means 4a equal to 1. But here they are asking to calculate the value of 4a. So 4a only we required. 4a is equal to what? 1. We got it here. Alter method. Just I am saying, whenever for the given curve line intersecting x square is equal to 4ay na? Y value is there, 1 plus 2x, substitute here. X square equal to 4a into 1 plus 2x. So x square minus 8ax minus 4a equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Whenever the line intersecting in two distinct points, discriminant is less than or equal to 0, you take it. Equal to 0 means touching. So that time length it won't come. Less than or equal to means this value, less than, this value will come. So discriminant means b square minus 4ac is less than or equal to 0. B square compared with ax square plus bx plus c. B value is what? Minus 8a. 8a whole square, 64a square. Minus 4 into a value 1, c value minus 4a. So 16a will come, no 16 take out common, 4a square plus a is less than or equal to 0. So 16 you can take this side, 4a into a plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. A plus 1 we can take this side, 4a is 4a into factorization we can do that. A into a plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So 4a less than or equal to 0, a plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So a is less than or equal to minus 1. 4a is less than or equal to 0 means meaningless. After getting a value, 4a, a value minus 1 or equal to. In this way, if you take the answer is not there. This is 2019 AP question. Even in this way also we can go and get it the answer, dear student. But the right answer is 4a equal to 1 according to this question. Yeah, the next question. If tangents are drawn to the ellipse x square plus 2y square equal to 2, then the locus of the midpoints of the intercepts made by those tangents between the axes is. Here the question is, find the equation of tangent at the point of the ellipse. That tangent midpoint of the locus of the tangent. So first tangent equation we will calculate. What is the given equation of ellipse? X square dividing by 2. I am converting into the general form. X square by 2 plus y square by 2y square by 2 means y square by 1 is equal to 1. Equation number 1, a square equal to 2, a is equal to root 2, b square equal to 1, b is equal to 1. So parametric point is what? P of theta. Sir, why you are taking parametric point? To get the locus problems, most of the questions in ellipse, we can consider in terms of parametric point. A cos theta, comma, b sin theta. So a value is what? Root 2 cos theta. B means 1 into sin theta. This is x1, this is y1. Okay. At this point, for the given equation of ellipse, find the tangent. So tangent equation. Tangent. S1 equal to 0. That is xx1 by a square. A square is what? 2. Plus y1 by b square value 1 equal to 1. In place of x1, y1, these points you can substitute. So what it will come? X into root 2 cos theta divided by 2 plus y into sin theta divided by 1 is equal to 1. This is the tangent equation. Equation number 2. Equation 2 meets the coordinate axis. Equation 2 meets x-axis. Then y equal to 0 only, no? So y is equal to 0. If you substitute, you will get x is equal to 2 by root 2 cos theta will come. Even if you simplify, it will become, so this point is P. I am writing here, x value root 2 by cos theta. So P of root 2 by cos theta, comma 0, y value 0. Same thing, equation 2 meets y-axis. Then x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 by sin theta will come. So this point Q is 0, 1 by sin theta. Okay. So the figure will come. If you want to figure, like this you can draw, dear students. This is the point P of theta. This is the tangent equation. This point is P, this point is Q. So this is parametric point P of theta. So these points we got it. Midpoint of x1, y1 locus I am taking. Midpoint x1, y1. Midpoint of the intercepts they are saying. x1, y1 is equal to midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ. So that is equal to midpoint means x1 plus x2 by 2. This is x1, y1, this is x2 by 2. So root 2 plus root 2 by cos theta plus 0 by 2. Next 0 plus 1 by sin theta 0 by 2. So x1 is equal to, here 2 will come denominator. So root 2 by cos theta into 2. From here, y1 is equal to 1 by 2 sin theta. So sin theta cos theta make subjects. So cos theta is equal to root 2 by 2 into x1 cos theta. From this sin theta equal to 1 by 2 y1. The relation between sin and cos. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta 1 by 2 y1 square plus root 2 by 2x1 whole square is equal to 1. So 1 by 4 1 square plus 2 by 4x1 square is equal to 1. 2 1s, 2 2s. So first x term I want. So 1 by 2x1 square plus 1 by 4y1 square is equal to 1. This is the required locus. So locus means remove x1, y1 and write it as x, y. This equation will becomes 1 by 2x square plus 1 by 4y square is equal to 1. So this answer is there in the third option. I hope you understand, students. We will move on to the next question. I already said that for the student understanding purpose, each and every step I am writing, otherwise I will write directly. Direct steps also, I within 2-3 minutes, 2 minutes only I will get it answer. Not like 5 minutes or 6 minutes, dear students. You remember that? Why? Because I am getting number of comments. Sir, you only doing like 5 to 6 minutes for each problem. What for student side, one of the students requested that comment. So for that I am giving the explanation. You understand that? I hope. The area of the quadrilateral formed by the tangents drawn at the end points of the latest sectum to the ellipse. So this is the ellipse equation. By observing this ellipse is a is greater than 0. This is a square value, this is b square value, dear students. So this is the latest sectum, this is another latest sectum. These are the ends L, L dash, L1, L1 dash. At these points, tangents you have to draw like this. Even here also one tangent. Even here also. Like this, tangents will draw now. One figure we are getting here. This is a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral area they are asking. So first tangent equation I will calculate at the point AE comma B square by A. One end of the positive end of the latest sector I am taking. After that, this area, this area, this area, this area, all are same. So one you can take it now. X1, Y1. First I am calculating. A square is equal to 16. B square is equal to what? 12. So A is equal to 4. B is equal to 2 root 3. Root 12 is 4 into 3. 2 we can take outside. So eccentricity E is equal to root over A square minus B square by A square. So root over 16 minus 12 divided by 16. So root 4 by 16, that is equal to 4 ones, 4 fours. 1 by root 4 is 1 by 2. So E value is 1 by 2. So I want the point x1, y1. So AE comma B square by A. So this is AE. A value is what? 4. E value is 1 by 2. So 2. B square means 12. 12 by A value 4. 12 by 4 is 3. So this is x1, y1. At this point, you have to calculate tangent equation. They are asking the tangent equation. So again, s1 equal to 0 at 2 comma 3, x1, y1. Like previous question. In both the questions they are asking the same question. Same exam. X1 by A square. What is A square here? 16. Plus y1 by B square is equal to 1. X1, y1 values are 2 comma 3. So it will becomes 2x by 16 plus 3y by 12 equal to 1. If you simplify, x by 8 plus y by 4 equal to 1. It is in the form of intercept form only, no? What is the area of triangle formed by the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 with the coordinate axis? So delta 1 is equal to half into mod AB. So A value 4, this is intercept form now. This you can convert into intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. These AB values are different, these AB values are different, students. So AB value substitute in this, half into 8 into 4. So 32 by 2, 16. But I want, this is delta 1. This is delta 1 area, delta 2 area, delta 3, delta 4. All are same only. Therefore, area of quadrilateral, the area of quadrilateral is delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 plus delta 4. So 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16. So 4 times of 16. 64 square units. So it is there in the fourth option. So all answer. This is the quadrilateral. The figure it becomes. This quadrilateral area they are asking. Delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 are the same. Similarly 16 will come 4 times. We'll move on to the next question and the last question in this session. The next question. PQ are eccentricities of hyperbola and its conjugate hyperbola respectively. Then the area of the square formed by the points of intersection of x square by p square plus y square by bq square equal to 1 and the pair of lines x square minus y square equal to 0 is the area of square they are asking. Point of intersection of this ellipse as well as this pair of lines. So that area they are asking, it forms square, they are asking to find area of the square. So now what I am doing is, P is eccentricity of hyperbola. What is the eccentricity of hyperbola? Root over a square plus b square divided by a square. Here p square is required, so p square is equal to a square plus b square divided by a square. Similarly, q is eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. Root over a square plus b square by b square. That implies, but I want q square now. So a square plus b square by b square, it comes. So this equation first I am forming. So x square by a square plus b square divided by a square plus y square by a square plus b square by b square is equal to 1. So a square x square plus b square y square. Anyway, LCM is same that I am taking this side, a square plus b square. Equation number 1. So next, this equation I am taking. X square minus y square equal to 0 is equation number 2. Solving these two. So how to solve that? So from this, x square is equal to y square. First substitute and get it. So x is equal to plus or minus y will come. So first x square is equal to y, because the area of square means in the geometry plus minus all the coordinate axes you consider. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Suppose x square is equal to y square. If you substitute both sides, y square will come. Y square, a square, b square will get cancelled. So here y square, a square plus y square, b square is equal to a square plus b square. So y square is equal to a square plus b square by a square plus b square. So y square is equal to 1. Y is equal to plus or minus 1. Whenever y is equal to plus or minus 1, from this x is equal to obviously plus or minus 1 will come. So the total 4 points are available here. That 4 points, one is 1 comma 1. Another one is 1 comma minus 1. Another one is minus 1 comma 1. And D is minus 1 comma minus 1. I am taking in that way. Otherwise both minus and minus 1 plus 1. This is the way. So square means AB, any distance you can calculate. It forms a square, they are saying now. A, B, C, D. AB distance I am calculating. 1 minus 1 whole square 0. 1 minus or minus 1, 1 plus 1 whole square. So root 2 square, that is equal to 2. So this is the side of the square. But they are asking area of the square. Area of square is equal to, this is x if you assume that, not x. X if it is again confusion. So AB square, side square. So 2 square, that is equal to 4. 4 it is there in the first option. So 14th September 2020 MSET questions which are related to parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, and the questions which are mixed from circle, hyperbola, circle, ellipse, like these questions also we covered in this video. Like and share to your friends, dear students, and in the coming video, in another video, next session questions I am providing for you. Thank you all for your support.